Greetings from Strandbadet in Tyresö, this sandy beach out on the Baltic Sea with huge green area as well as some rocky cliffs on the side and nice jetty for a swim and a floating jetty as well. It looks super nice for a swim out on the sea, and I am once again exploring the sea with another beach adventure on my channel on this beach day 131 this year, and today is 27th August and we have 20 degrees Celsius in the air right now, and sunny with some clouds on the way, and 17 degrees Celsius in the Baltic Sea, and it looks very nice indeed over here. The beach is completely empty. It seems that people have given up on summer but I will definitely continue with my beach adventures all the way to December if the weather allows it, because I swim also in frozen lakes as soon as it is not like minus 20 degrees outside. The water gets only up to 0, of course, then it freezes. So yeah, I came here with my Cube Cross bike, 18 kilometers, mostly asphalt and road cycling. Here you can see my Cube bike. It's so easy to ride my Cube indeed. And now I'm walking on the jetty over here with very nice view over the sandy beach, and we can see Erstavik and Nacka on the other side of the sea. And yes, it looks so nice and so amazing over here, and I'm really looking forward for another swim in the sea, because I already took a swim earlier because I really wanted to go in, but now for this episode I'm gonna swim once again. So let's then get going and take another swim here at Tyresö Strandbadet. It looks so nice and magnificent. The water is so clean indeed. Look at that. Perfect. Alright, so let's then get going and take a swim in the Baltic Sea here in Tyresö. Let's go! Amazing. It's so beautiful. Perfect day on the Baltic Sea, cycling and beach adventure. Let's dive in again. I just love swimming in the sea. It's so amazing and so beautiful indeed. And now I have arrived at the floating jetty here. So here you can sunbathe and enjoy a beautiful day on the sea. I still don't understand why I am all alone on the beach. It looks so amazing. It says here a sign not to dive, but you can potentially jump, which I'm going to do right now. So let's jump. Woohoo! It's so amazing. I'm so happy when I'm swimming in the sea. And it looks like the sea is gonna be quite good and warm for a while, at least 1 more month. And then we need to move to the lakes only because the sea is gonna get cold and windy. So yes, that's about it from Tyresö Strandbadet, this beautiful sandy beach out on the Baltic Sea, perfect for a swim on a sunny day like this. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure. Beach adventures with Chris!